Okay guys, good day, and this is your guy Crypto Ambassador. So today I'm making a video for those of you who find it difficult to install the UbitEx application from the website. All right, some of you have been complaining that you can't install the app in your phone. Most times it's either you don't have space, or some other reasons, but make sure you have enough space on your phone before you can go ahead installing. All right, but if you still have difficulties, this video is for you. And please, before you continue, make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell. All right, and leave your comment in the comment section if you still have issues. All right, so now what you have to do, open your Chrome browser. This is my Chrome. Then visit the website UbitEx. It's already here, so ubitex.com. all right, so you sign in. If you've not signed in, you signed in. My account is signed in on the Chrome already. So this is the app. In case you want to download it, you download it down to your phone. All right, those of you who have issues with installation, now this is how to stake on the website. All right, but I will always recommend you use the application because of the user interface. It's very awesome, so you will understand everything on the app. The app is sweeter than the web. All right, so now go over to this place and click. You see these options, then you click on Encrypto. That is where you are going to see the staking options. All right, this is it. These are the staking plans. You have the 15 days, you have the 30 days, you have 90 days, 180 days, and 360 days. So whichever option you are going for, let's say for instance you are going for this particular 180 days, which I always recommend, or 1 year, then you click on staking. All right, this is it. This is how you are going to do your staking. Once you click on the staking, you are good to go. But that reminds me, before this, you must have to deposit your USDT to this platform. All right, so now let me go down to show you how to do that. Okay, you click on assets, spot account, you click on deposit, then select USDT as the coin you want to deposit. Select the network you are using, if it is Ton or whatsoever. This is it. I acknowledge. Then you will see your deposit address. So remember, the minimum stake is $100, 101. Just make it 101 because of the charges. So if you want to stake above that, best known to you. So this is a way of funding this very account, this very exchange. Then you send the amount of dollar you want to use. After that, remember, when you fund your account, it will come to your spot wallet. All right, it will come to your spot wallet. Once it's your funding arrives here, you have the next thing to do is just to transfer it to your N account. You can see, you click on transfer from your funding, from your spot, click here. Then from your spot, you select N account. The USDT will be here. Then you click on max to transfer. That is the thing you need to do before you go ahead to stake. That is what you need to do to come then come over here and start your staking. After you are done staking, this is where you are going to see your orders. Under this place, you can see under this place, you check your staking. The place you see earn others. Okay, you can see my own, the two that I have staked already. I staked for 180 days. These are my orders. Then you can click on details to view the order. All right, this is it. So that is how to use the website if you're having issue with the application. All right, guys, make sure you subscribe, leave your comments, join my Telegram channel and WhatsApp group for more knowledge. All right, peace out, guys. Thank you.